Pleased to have you here, everyone. The best
facial serums
are listed below for online purchase. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find this article useful so we can make more top 10 videos in the future.
The results are in. TruSkin's Vitamin C Serum is the highest rated C serum on the internet. We're delivering nature's nourishing plant power to healthy faces across the nation. Glow on and get your TruSkin today.
I am completely in love with this, guys. Not only does it smell really, really good, it leaves your skin so glowy, so hydrated.
Anti-aging serum and acne treatment and drastically improve your skin tone.
Definitely a skincare game changer.
What makes L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum loved by so many?
Our highest concentration of pure hyaluronic acid. Over time, wrinkles are visibly reduced. Skin is replumped. 100% of women showed an improvement. Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum by L'Oreal Paris.
Hey guys, I'm Adri from DERMA. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our top selling vitamin C serum. This serum is made with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps brighten uneven skin tone and helps fade dark spots, while the hyaluronic acid helps to rehydrate the skin to help give you a more youthful appearance. For maximum results, you're going to want to use this day and night on clean skin. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.
The dynamic duo of vitamin C and retinol is supercharged by niacinamide and salicylic acid in this richly concentrated all-in-one serum. Organic aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, and rosehip oil team up for deep hydration, and a bright touch of pink grapefruit is a treat for the senses. Apply 3 to 5 drops to your skin just 2 to 3 nights a week and follow with your favorite TruSkin moisturizer. Clinically tested and Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free. Reveal your TruSkin today.
Which skin types are our products best suitable for? All of the youth products are safe for all skin types, even the most sensitive of skin. Our products are formulated with the highest quality of pure active ingredients, and we do not use any of the toxic 12, which are known to be skin irritants. Even our retinol serum is formulated with aloe vera and hyaluronic acid to soothe the skin from retinol's sometimes drying effects.